All right, welcome to the third video for lesson 3.2. In the previous two videos, we went over our new rules and did a few examples. We have two examples left that we are solving and graphing. Okay, so we have two examples left that we're solving on graphing. We're going to start with number 3. We have 1/4 x is less than or equal to -2. Okay, so I'm going to draw my line straight down. Now that 1/4 is multiplying my x, so I know that I need to divide 1/4 on both sides. But instead of doing that, I'm going to fraction bust, because when I fraction bust, I'm going to multiply by the number on the bottom, the number on the denominator, right? Which is in the same thing, or is the same thing as dividing by 1/4, multiplying by 4, and dividing by 1/4 are the same thing. Okay, so we're going to multiply both sides by 4. Okay. So these cancel out there. I'm left with 1x, or x is less than or equal to, and -2 times 4 would be -8. Okay. So I'm going to find -8 on my number line. It is right there. It is going to be a closed dot because my inequality sign has this line underneath it. So it's -8, a closed dot above -8. And then if I were to draw a tail coming off this, it would be pointing to the left. So I know my arrow needs to go to the left. Okay. So if we divided, if you would have done 2 divided by 1/4, or -2 divided by 1/4, you would see that you would get -8 as well. Dividing by a fraction and multiplying by its reciprocal, multiplying by the denominator, are the same exact thing. Okay. Now we're on number 4. Number 4 says solve and graph as well. So that is what we're going to do. So I'm going to draw my line straight down like that. Okay. And then in order to get this x by itself, I need to get this 3 to the other side of the inequality sign. I know that this 3 is multiplying my x because it's right next to my x. And anytime a number is right next to my variable, it's multiplying it. So I need to do the opposite, which is division. So I need to divide by the number that's multiplying my variable, which is a 3. So I'm going to divide both sides of the inequality sign by 3. Okay. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm just left with x, or 1x, is less than -3 divided by 3 is -1. Okay. Now I need to graph that. So first I need to find -1 on my number line. It's right there. I know it's going to be an open dot because there is no line underneath my inequality sign. So I'm going to have an open dot above -1. All right. And then if I draw a little tail coming off my arrow, I would see that it's pointing to the left. So my arrow needs to point to the left. Okay. So those are the examples for lesson 3.2. Here's all of them. Please make sure you watch all 3 of these videos. There will be a homework help video coming. Thank you guys for